Your SSD is lying to you. When you newly bought it and install on your device, your computer runs very fast. It runs smoothly, but over the time, it starts lagging and you think what is really happening. No problem, because there is particular settings you need to put in place to fix this error or to fix this problem on your laptop. So if you want your laptop to run very fast at its fingertips where you tap on any button, then consider watch this video to the end, because the number 2 steps is going to be the joker on this process. Right click on the start menu on your device. Now go and click terminal admin, then click on yes. Now here is what you need to do. A lot of people missed it because they don't get the right command, and here I'm going to give you the right command. Now the window is open like this, provide this information: win sats space d space dash drive space c, enter or hit the enter button. Now just wait a few seconds. This will take about 30 to 35 seconds of your time. We are taking a look at these two buttons: disk, the sequential read and sequential write. You can see the number here: 1678.63 and 569.4 MB per second. Take a look at this number. Here is where a lot of people mix it. Now in the same terminal, type this: defrag space /o space c colon, enter button. Now take a look at what you see here, guys. It gives you the value information, volume size and free space on your computer, then total space trimmed to 159.40 gig. Now it's still on the same place. Then go ahead and retype the first command we give, which is winsat space disk space dash drive space c and enter. Just wait a few seconds for this to come up. We're going to compare and contrast two things here. Take a look at this number. You can see the number is 1681 and 569. Compared to what is here, 1679, 569. These two numbers is almost the same. If yours is this, then tells you that your SSD on your computer is working perfectly, it's functioning perfectly. But if the number or the difference between the two figures is conspicuous, is large, it means your computer is not working fine. So you need to fix it, and here is how to fix it. Come back to this place and click on it. Now here type in defragment. Now it comes out like this. Click on this defragment and optimize drives. Click on it. Once you click on it, you have something like this. Now here is my C drive, here is my backup, still on the same drive. But come to schedule optimization. If your own is off here, make sure you click on change settings and turn it on. Drives are being analyzed on a schedule and optimized as needed, frequently weekly. You can see that my drive is analyzed weekly. In case you don't want to use weekly, maybe monthly, come back to this place, click on change. Now you see this arrow, click on it. You have daily, monthly and weekly. So I think I prefer weekly. Weekly is okay for me. That is why I use weekly. But if your own is turned off, make sure you click on the settings and select from those three options that pop up. With these settings, guys, then your SSD card will run smoothly and you will enjoy best of your SSD card. If you enjoyed this tip and if you not subscribe, please subscribe for more updates like this. See you soon, guys, on our next video.